discuss this another method of removal of impurities from the solid. That process is called crystallization. The process is called as what? The process is called crystallization. What is that? It involves four important parts. First, First, preparation of saturated solution. Preparation of saturated solution. Second, hot filtration. Hot filtration. Then third, important, cooling of filtrate. Cooling of filtrate. Fourth, students, cooling of filtrate. हे बघा, preparation of saturated solution, hot filtration, cooling of filtrate and normal last process filtration. Very new to you, but you have to follow it. Students have no option. What is preparation of saturated solution? Crystallization method is used for the removal of impurities from a crude solid. Crude solid असा घ्यायचा where main component is solute and small amount of particles are impurities. म्हणजे सोल्यूट हा मेजॉरिटी असेल, 90% सोल्यूट असेल किंवा 90% ऑफ दॅट प्रोडक्ट असेल विच इज टू बी फिल्टर्ड आणि 10% इम्प्युरिटी असेल. सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन इज युज्ड फॉर द रिमूव्हल ऑफ इम्प्युरिटीज फ्रॉम अ crude solid which consists of a main component with small amount of impurities. ठीक है? For that, step number 1, preparation of saturated solution. What is saturated solution? Students, simple आहे. Solution मध्ये दोन components असतात, solute आणि solvent. When the a saturated solution is a solution which does not allow excess of solute to be added. म्हणजे simple students, you take solute, you go on stirring it in the solvent. After a certain limit, solute remains as it is because the solvent has been saturated with solute. म्हणजे maximum quantity of solute त्याच्याकडे already dissolve झालेली आहे, excess घ्यायची त्याची तयारी नाही. So, preparation of saturated solution. What is saturated solution? Saturated solution is a solution which does not dissolve excess solute. Excess जास्त solute dissolve करून घेऊ शकत नाही. That is called as a saturated solution which does not dissolve excess solute. What do? You take crude solid, you boil it in a solvent. In sufficient quantity of solvent such that the crude solid only gets saturated. Impurities being in small quantities do not dissolve or are not soluble. I'll repeat. You take crude solid students, and you dissolve it in a sufficient or a small quantity of solvent such that the solvent becomes saturated with the crude solid, whereas the impurities remain undissolved or they do not reach saturation mark because they are in small quantity. म्हणजे impurity saturation mark पर्यंत पोहोचू शकत नाही कारण त्यांची क्वांटिटी कमी आहे. सोल्यूट ची क्वांटिटी कशी आहे, सॉलिड ची क्वांटिटी कशी आहे, इट इज मोर. That is what is called as preparation of saturated solution. Students, take care that the solid is hot and dissolved or made soluble in a solvent under hot conditions. कळलं? Now what do? You take a simple beaker. Okay. You take a funnel. You fix it to a stand. What do? Hot filtrate. Hot filtration म्हणजे काय? Hot filtration. What is that? Take the solution when hot, which consists of hot solid which is already saturated, and impurities which do not become saturated because they are in less amount. Now, when the solution is hot, pour it over the funnel fixed from within by a filter paper. मुलांनो, funnel मध्ये filter paper लावायचा. Pour it through a funnel attached from within by a filter paper. त्यामुळे जे undissolved impurity, जे impurity dissolve झालेले नाही आहेत, soluble झालेले नाही, they can be removed, leaving behind the filtrate. कळलं? filtrate मध्ये काय आता, जे solute आहे which is already saturated and the impurities which are soluble. कारण insoluble impurities have been removed with the help of filtration, with the help of filter paper, where the insoluble impurities, those small amount, they get attached or they get fixed or they get stuck at the filter paper. झालं. आता हे hot filtration झालं. Hot filtration के बाद what do? You take this filtrate and you cool it. हा filtrate घ्यायचा, residue टाकून द्यायचा, insoluble impurity होती ती सगळी टाकून द्यायची, filtrate घ्यायचा and take it in an evaporating dish. Evaporating dish and allow it to cool. Filtrate घ्यायचा, allow it to cool. When you cool it, एक point सांगते. When the temperature decreases, the solubility of the solute in the solvent decreases. I'll repeat. When the temperature decreases, जी काय solute ची solubility असते ती कमी होते. And the solute starts getting crystallized. जे solute ची solubility कमी होत जाते, as the temperature is getting reduced, it starts crystallizing out. म्हणजे बाहेर असे खडे कसे त्याचे बाहेर पडायला लागतात ऑटोमॅटिकली. इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग क्रिस्टलाइज्ड, लिव्हिंग बिहाइंड द सॉल्युबल इम्प्युरिटीज. अँड देन बाय मीन्स ऑफ अनदर प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्टरेशन, पासिंग थ्रू द फनल अँड युजिंग द बीकर मेकॅनिझम. इथं फिल्टर पेपर लावायचा. आता हे इव्हॅपोरेटिंग डिश मधलं यू पोर द फिल्टरेट ओव्हर द फनल सच दॅट pure crystals are collected on the filter paper, leaving behind the impurity. Impurity तसे तसे राहते. That's it. कळतं? Okay. Step number 1. Look here. Step crystallization is what? Crystallization is the process of removal of impurity from a crude solid, where solid is the main component and impurities are present in small amounts. The process is carried out in 4 important steps. Preparation of saturated solution. Saturated solution is a solution which does not dissolve or take in excess of solute. वैसे ही you take a solid hot and introduce it in a boiling solvent such that the hot solid, the crude solid becomes saturated with the solvent, leaving behind the impurities. Impurities never become saturated कारण त्यांचं प्रमाण, त्यांची क्वांटिटी कमी आहे. Some remain soluble, some remain insoluble. Insoluble impurities are removed by the process of hot filtration. काय करायचं? फक्त हा filtrate घ्यायचा, ओतायचा when hot. Insoluble impurities stick to the filter paper of the funnel. Insoluble impurities गए. Now the filtrate consists of what? The hot solid in pure form plus soluble impurities. Now allow it to cool. थंड करायला लावायचं. Decrease in temperature decreases the solubility of the solute. कळतंय? मग solute चे crystals बाहेर पडतात. Impurities तसे तसे राहतात. Again crystals form of solute is poured over the funnel. Crystals remain in the funnel and the filtrate in the filtrate comes down is the impurity which is soluble. कळतंय? जी soluble impurity आहे ती पण बाहेर पडली. So whatever crystals you have got is in extremely pure form. Now the question comes की you have taken a crude hot solid, no doubt. Solvent कुठचा वापरायचा? Students, त्याला conditions आहेत. First of all, the compound or the hot solid should be sparingly soluble with the solvent at room temperature. म्हणजे अर्धवट and soluble only at high temperature. म्हणजे कूलिंगच्या वेळेला ते बाहेर पडणार. हॉट फिल्टरेशनच्या वेळेला ते सॉल्युबल असणार, थंड केल्यानंतर बाहेर पडणार. द कंपाऊंड विच इज टू बी फिल्टर्ड इन द सॉल्व्हेंट शुड बी स्पेरिंगली सॉल्युबल इन द सॉल्व्हेंट ॲट रूम टेम्परेचर. म्हणजे रूम टेम्परेचरला ते सॉल्युबलच नसणार, ते ऑटोमॅटिकली बाहेर पडणार. whereas soluble only at high temperature. Point number 1. Point number 2, the compound should not chemically react with the solvent. जे काय तुम्ही सॉल्व्हेंट घ्याल त्याच्याशी ते सॉलिड शुड नॉट केमिकली रिॲक्ट. नाहीतर तुम्ही प्युरिफिकेशन करायच्या ऐवजी भलते भलते नवीन नवीन कंपाऊंड्स तयार होणार मुलांना. सो द कंपाऊंड or the solid to be used should not chemically react with the solvent. And the third and the most important is that the solvent should be volatile. Volatile means undergo evaporation very easily in the form of ether घ्या, acetone घ्या, water घ्या तुमच्या माहितीतलं, आणि अल्कोहोल घ्या. You can use an alcohol, water, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol also you can talk, which are easily volatile. असे सॉल्व्हेंट्स घ्यायचे. That's it. कळते स्टुडंट्स? हे एवढं वाचून घ्या. Tomorrow we'll go to the next part and that is fractional crystallization.